Kids are increasingly tech savvy these days. Even a toddler is nowadays managed to launch apps and play games. And we know that not all the apps and contents are good for kids. So it becomes our responsibility to prevent them from those contents and apps that could be a potential threat for them. This video will help you to enable Android parental controls. Just follow the video step by step. So here I'm going to show you. Click on Play Store and now click on these three lines on the top of the page. Now go to settings. Now here you can see the parental control is off, so you need to click on it. Again it is showing parental controller off. Now you need to make it on, and here it is asking for pin, so you can enter a pin. Right now I'm entering 1234. Now it is asking to confirm the pin. Enter the same pin, click OK, and now the parental controls for your Android device is on. And here is the apps and games that your kid is going to download, and here are the various mode of restriction. And rated for 3 plus is the most restrictive, and as you need go to the bottom, it is least restrictive. So I choose most restrictive, that is rated for 3 plus. Now I'm saving it. So this was the way to enable parental controls on your Android device. So now your device is safe for your kid. So if this video helps you, please like, subscribe and share it to help others. Thank you.